Welcome to PFTV. Ngiphethe uPuchawu.
Yeah.
Puchawa, you were speaking of cameras, as noticed Tini. Another one in the back.
Ngiphelelwa amagama. I really don't know what to say, but asibingelele abantu abasibukelayo. Also the ones that are on our comment sections. We appreciate support yabo. We are also saying subscribe to this channel because this is home. This is Orlando Pirates. This is where you are going to get the proper content of the Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
So firstly, let's congratulate the coach. The coach is doing very well. Let's also appreciate the fact that the management of Orlando Pirates is taking us serious as fans. Because remember, we're also stakeholders into this thing. So, the project, the Orlando Pirates, this didn't start today. These are the results of a proper structure within the team. Remember, we started some years back, and we couldn't find it well. Patu Rivero Wafiga, Kwatoloma player right. It's a will. Because bakhona abanye abochairman bamanye ama team they don't care about ama supporters. I don't want to mention names, but amanye ama chairman wamanye ama team, they don't care about their supporters. Others will even tell them ukuthi this is a family business, so don't tell us ukuthi say rana kanjani lento yabo. So tina we appreciate umsebenzi ka Babukhoza nokusithatha serious, because by bringing quality players into the team you are saying I'm quite serious about this project. So I will say for the past 4 to 5 years, Pirates established a structure, and these are the results of a proper management of the team. That's why we are here today. It's not by fluke that we are taking cups season in, season out. It's because the management of the team decided to invest into this team and about started serious. I was scaling on my family business. Yeah. So far, gents, we're all excited. We're all happy. We're cruising nicely. Aslali today. Champagne to your sports dressing. Namhlanje akulalo niyayibona the dressing speaks for itself.
Very important.
We're not sleeping. No, we're not sleeping. Champagnes are ready. Aswathengelanga mahala. And namhlanje I win the Pirates. We didn't win against Maroon. We won against Sundowns. We won against Chiefs. All of them, they were waiting there. Others were here. Did you hear their noise? Umangabe leya team izama ukusi-attack. Ngabona ukuthi man singenelwe la. But I knew ukuthi Pirates will bounce back. You see, after extra time, I knew ukuthi their legs are not going to take them in. Yeah. So mina, I'm quite excited ukuthi we are here we are today because of the hard work, the management, the player. But also the 12th player, the supporters. These days it doesn't matter where we are playing. Whether we're in Polokwane, look, it was a sold out. Yeah. We struggled tickets. All of you here didn't have tickets, including myself. But I found myself in a VIP. And I said, hey, but bringing a ticket, what is this thing? Because I remember last week, Sunday, when we were sitting together, we were discussing tickets. Hey, and you were even discouraged to take Assisi. But I kept on saying, nama ticket akona, songena. Ngoba came here Pirates. There's no way ukuthi bangasibuyisele move. Otherwise, yeah.
There's no way, Puchawu.
Yeah.
And then today it was Ifewele yaga TLP.
Yeah.
Of course, we used to that partnership, Yama Clean Sheet, him and Siema, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Farewell message to TLP. And how do you think we should remedy that partnership? Let's introduce Suban.
Well, engizokusho ku TLP ukuthi he knows where he comes from. He comes from humble beginnings. I'll say be disciplined, because remember lana le la ya khona aboputa abekho abojabo bazomfonela bathi don't do this, do that. Uzabe he's on his own le. So thina esicelayo ukuthi mfana be disciplined, go there, represent your family, you know where you coming from, and focus, come back. Ngoba amanye ama player they leave and they don't come back. So thina was saying go back there, work. Ube discipline usebenzela abazali bakho, yazi ukuthi situation besinjani. I always say asina shortage ama players ku Pirates. I'm happy ukuthi undawo recoveryile and lento inikeza nalento ye FIFA break, or rather let's say iAfcon. inikeza i-coach i-opportunity yokuthi a-check at the best combination into our defense kabona ukuthi upartnera lama player kanjani. But I don't think we have a crisis. I think coach will be well placed ukuthi a-check ukuthi defensively uqala ngabobani yiphi combination ezomsebenzela. So a proper time for a coach ukuthi a-check nala besinama mistakes nyana khona vale, so that when we come back, because we're on top of the log now, so that when we come back, because into shaya focus. Remember, it has never happened to Guti, or it has happened, but after so many years, maybe 5 years, 6 years, or 7, Uguti says to say number 1 before Christmas. Sundowns see number 2. Yeah, nothing at the pupa masi pega, but it's reality. So into Funegayo mentality from our players, which when they come back, 5 months young. We still have 18 games to go. So we can't say we have taken this thing. Game 18. So I'll say when they come back, or Eguamanje, management must guard against things that shouldn't happen, particularly to the players. Baba strengthen aganjani mentally ukutema talento. You've got yourself to play loser, because it's actually in your hands. So it's things like those as Funegayo ukutamachita shade focus so that we take this thing. I really don't see a reason yokuthi singa collect yonke into available manje. We have taken the second one, the league should be the third one, Ilona should be the fourth one in Nedbank. It's Operation Tekankwas.
Operation
and namhlanje was saying if it's nice, we do it twice. So we have done it twice. But agabi enough safuna na lamanya itu.
Safuna lamanya itu. And then Pucha, some of the fans were frustrated about the referee today. It seems like every decision, man, he wasn't sure of decisions, was giving out wrong calls. Thoughts on the performance?
I think kuna special moments. Now, in your special moments from the referees association, you bring one of your best. Because this was not just an ordinary game. This was a final, and bonga sama team esizoti are lower teams. These are two teams that are competing highly go PSL. So in situations like those, you bring your tried and tested referees so that bazo manage a game kahle. Ucishe wayimosha ngoba amanye ama decisions were very questionable. And then abantu bazothi ngokuthi umama were being too hard on her. We're not too hard on her, but we are saying snikezeni the stage is too high. Snikezeni umuntu o relevant, o qualifier ukuthi azobamba le game. Take nothing away from Musisi beka Reva, but snikezeni referee at top, so that I handle the game kahle. Ngoba I crowd can erupt here into violence ngebanga le flop enzo referee. So next time they must just take those into cognizance. But otherwise, I game ihambe kahle. Look, this game was supposed to be wrapped in a first half, to be honest. But we're not clinical in front of the post. Maybe that's why the game it otherwise the game should have been wrapped in the first half. But other than that, Pirates played in the past. Pirates will unprovoked, they will lose against such opponents. Mina ngithanda ukunitshela Jens ukuthi we have improved as a team. Ngoba in the past the Pirates bengaziluzela 2-1 la, ichayile lento labantu bathatha icup bayavaya. But this is a Pirates in a discipline. Uyabona ukuthi they grind for results. So I'm quite happy angilali
akulala Puchabu. Which player le uzojayiva nayo kakhulu namhlanje man of the match?
Awulibitso bafethu. First half icishe yamsokolisa mara wabuya ngayo second half. Even nange extra time there were certain tackles la ubona khona ukuthi if lo muntu bekadlulile bekazosikosela iproblem. So you remember I said it's underrated. But I think he played today. I think he played today.
Thanks Puchabu. Bopa.